Hey guys, how are you doing? It's Lucas again, and today I'm really happy because I'm in the lighting factory right now. I got something really amazing moving highlights for you guys. And later soon, when I stop on more, I will travel around this factory and show you a really amazing LED moving headlight. I'll see you later. Alright, there we go. We're in the factory right now with my friend, my boss here, and we're going to see what she's doing here in the factory. And see, this is alright. This is the boss here, and she's telling this is a 215 LED moving headlight, spot and global. And you see there are workers here, staff here making the assembling, the testing. 你们在做这是做什么啊？朱姐，这是做测试是吧？ And the moving headlight here is doing the testing. All of them are fully testing, fully assembling, and these are testing here. Make sure every moving headlight is with the good quality and send to their clients. They test it one by one, every one. All right. Once it's okay, they put the cover on and make sure every moving headlight is stable. Every moving headlight sent to the clients good. All right, let's see what next. We're going here and you see the lady here doing the assembling, and you can see they make it step by step. Step by step, firstly with the PCB board here, and arm it with the lens and the bulbs, something like this. All right. So they make sure that every moving headlight is on their process, on their schedule, every moving headlight. And you can see there the heads here, and that the base here and the heads. That is really wonderful. The base and arms and the heads there. All right. So this is what they're doing, step by step, making every moving headlight on the schedule. And now you can see this man here is doing the assembling the heads on the every moving headlight. Okay, so let's see what they got here. This is the 转轴是吧? You can see this part here is 150 volt with the base, the turning base here, and with the how to say? Let's look. Yes, it's the base. All right. And you can see the man and lady here. They're doing assembly, which is for the power board, the DMX and the power board. They're assembling here and make sure everyone is on the right things. All right. So you see the spare part here. They're making every spare part. All right. Look at them. This is arms here. Okay. All these is it's ready to assemble. And all these, look at them, and the moving lights really fashion, well designed, very compact. I really like the moving headlight actually. Really good, really good. All right, and you see, this is what they're doing here. Really good moving headlight, really fashion. And all they do is the small LED moving headlight, a very tiny and compact moving headlight. You can see it here. All right, so this is the moving headlight they're doing here. It's 115 volt, very well designed, really fashion. I like them very much actually. All right, this is the moving headlight they're doing here. Okay. And you see this office and the spare parts warehouse here. Really good. Okay, and see this the parts and the packing box, etc. All right. So this is the LED moving headlight factory we visited today. Really good one. Alright, and you can see the showroom here, and we got the sample here, all the sample here with the LED moving headlight. I like them very much actually. Wow, this is the 4 LED and 60 volt moving headlight. Really good with the rainbow outside. That look nice. really nice. Alright, so we got other style here, the 100 LED and the 150 LED moving headlight. Really good, well designed, really compact. So this LED, little moving LED, is really good for the DJ, or for the bars, or for the hotel. You know, they have really great output, and it's not hot, and the size of them is really perfect. I really like them. Okay. And I got all the day of this LED moving headlight. If any of you guys need a moving headlight, just call me. All right. So I really thank you for the boss here inviting me here to take video. And she's actually very busy right now, very busy. All right, so this is the factory we're visiting today. So really thank you so much for allowing me to take video. Really thank you. And you can see, all right, the Spark LED 115 and a Bing 115. So that is the line they're doing here. Really great, really wonderful. All right. Alright, let's get his office. Alright. Okay, so this is the LED moving headlight we visited today, and I got a light from them. I'm thanking to my client. I really thank you for watching this. And Lucas is going to bring you more video on the China product. And if any of you guys need LED moving headlight, this factory is a good choice. I'll see you next time. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.